Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the watch. Plug the charger and wait until the LED turns solid green so battery is stable. Once charged, press and hold the side button for 3 seconds to power on. You will see the welcome screen. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and placed within 2 meters so pairing can begin smoothly. If the watch asks for a PIN, use the default shown on screen. This prevents mismatched connections and speeds up the first sync. Once done powering and ensuring Bluetooth, open the companion app and tap Add Device. Select your watch model and follow prompts to pair. You should accept time sync and set it to automatic, which keeps the watch accurate without manual edits. Make sure to choose your preferred time format, 12-hour or 24-hour, and adjust brightness for battery life. Then configure notifications and quick access widgets so the watch shows only what you need. This reduces You finish by confirming the time updated and running a short test. Set an alarm and a 2-3-minute timer, then verify alerts arrive. Once satisfied, perform a manual sync of health data to ensure records transfer, then enable automatic background sync for ongoing updates. If anything goes wrong, restart both the watch and phone, clear any old pairings in the app, and retry. This simple reset fixes most issues. Finally, make sure firmware updates are applied to keep things stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.